Hey everyone, today we're going to share a family favorite with you, stuffed shells. Try it out and let us know how you like it. It is very simple to make, so I won't bore you with any of the details. You can just look below the description and all the ingredients and instructions are listed. So sit back, enjoy my free iMovie background music, and hope you give this yummy dish a try. Now, doesn't that look delicious? It is as good as it looks, trust me. Thank you again for joining us. Please subscribe and ring that notification bell. And remember, no matter where you are on your journey, there is always room for you at our table, right here at Polly Vegan Kitchen.